Rachel, what's this? Coffee, Rachel?
Yeah.
You have iced coffee here too?
Yeah.
Can I taste it?
Yeah. Ay, pretty.
Ay, mas masarap ang iced coffee rito kaysa McDonald's, hindi matapa.
No.
What did you say? What did you say? Just iced coffee.
I don't know. Actually, don't.
Paano mo hindi pagka next time. Not right now. Pagka sa Burger King na ako.
Oh, wag. Wag. I'll buy you one if you want.
Yes.
I'm hungry. Hi.
Sabi ni Rachel, matapos doon yung 3 o'clock eh. Meeting eh.
Hindi naman. Hindi ito, magtakal naman, manok na ako siya eh.
Adjusted na yung slot na yun eh. Suwin ni, suwin ni Reggie yung business minutes.
Kuya?
Galing na mag-uwi eh. Takal na halat eh. Di ba, district natin eh? Ano?
Oo, yung job alam mo.
Legit. Ay,
Yan!
sige no?
Wait. Hindi, wait.
Princess.
Ano lang yung mag-uwi ko.
Nandun na pala ito.
Anong pinamul pa mo sa akin mo?
Ano?
I'm video. I'm videoing.
Okay. Yeah, video. Okay.
Wala okay lang.
Send it that to Sheila.
A video?
I tried giving, but it hide.
No, that's what you do.
I saw a $4 here.
You have a Yahoo Messenger, right?
Yeah, but I never log in.
Don't try Yahoo Messenger 10 times. Yeah, I do it. And then abot naman yung copy
Oh,
the AMBD, M, you know. Then I will video that. Then, you know, just send it to me.
Okay.
Yeah. Right away when I'm, you know, when we chat, then I can see, and then I will just put it in a folder.
Or maybe I should just give you the URL. Put on YouTube.
That's fine.
Sabi niyo yun.
That way I have the URL and just type it in, right?
Ganda niya. Ganda niya.
Okay, what?
Wala kang nakikipagkagawa yung anak ko sa'yo, no?
Nabenta nila ng 600 ata eh.
Ano?
Pag-50 nga, sabi ni Kabal eh.
Hatip si Bob? Kaya nakabili ng coat.
Mother, daughter. Bye.